Hi, once again, I'm back, Kausi Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss a different topic, and most of the people, even today, across the globe, if you look out, they are investing, they are looking even some kind of opportunity to invest over there to make their money even in a double even benefit, or maybe even triple benefit, or maybe for a longer tenure, or maybe for their even any kind of pension or maybe any kind of retirement plan or whatever it is. So this has a wide even benefit. This has even a wide even immense even thought by investing money towards this, and none other than mutual fund. So I think this is not a new terminology. Somebody from the banking industry, somebody from the financial industry, definitely they know what exactly all about this terminology. It is called mutual fund. Now, what is mutual fund? How it works? What exactly the ultimate definition of mutual fund? So let me tell you, the word itself, mutual fund. I hope the name itself you can understand. Fund is fund, yes, definitely. Now, what exactly the mutual? So, in other way, if I look out the definition, first let me discuss about the definition of mutual fund. So, mutual fund is nothing but it's a wide investors, a different investors are investing. I mean, it's a pool of money. So let's say in one particular pool, and people are investing, and people are also even dropping their money, even investing in the same money towards that pool, and that actually been benefited mutually, even entire I mean investors. So if it is loss, it is not my loss. It is a mutual loss. It is a profit, even it's a profit for mutual. And that together, the fund where exactly people are investing, that entire pooling of money, and that is going to be invested in a diversified portfolio. That could be even any kind of equity, any kind of bond, any kind of stocks, whatever you can say. So different mutual fund works in a different parameters that we are going to discuss in maybe some other video. But yes, what exactly mutual fund and what is the significance of mutual fund, so that with this definition we have understood. Now, let me tell you, the word is a mutual fund itself. Maybe people have started investing, or maybe people have recently even come across with all this kind of tool and all. But especially if you look out the history of the mutual fund, it is as old like any kind of other financial tool like insurance and all other banking sector. If you look out, so it also started almost in the 17th century, and it's rooted from Dutch. That time it was called Dutch, today maybe it is Netherlands. So there is a community, especially the business community, and there is a financial crisis. And from that, somebody actually, one of the top businessman over there in that colony, that even zone itself, he decided the same thought. So let his entire even business people, even all the business zone people, when he actually encouraged everyone just to deposit, just to invest even some small money. And that time he actually created a huge money by investing a small money over that even particular, like you can say even particular even a fund he has created, and that become a huge money. So purpose of created that money, that so that today if we are going to make this fund, or if we are like everybody, let's say if 100 people or 200 people or 500 people, if they are investing money towards that, so they can use this money for their own business purpose. Even let's say my business is not running, so I can pull out the money from the same even uh, entire even fund, where I can also run my business. Even I'm not actually, let's say, sharing only the loss, even the profit also even I'm going to share with this entire even pool of money. And that's what he especially declared, the entire fund, the entire pool of money. It's a strength of unity. In terms of Dutch language, if I explain you, so that is the history and that is the meaning of the establishment of mutual fund concept even that time. So this is not a new tool. This is not a new terminology. People have already invested. People would have been, let's say, across the globe. Even somebody is already even long back, even they have invested. They know the history about this and what is the purpose of this mutual fund itself, right? So I hope now this is a very clear picture to all of us. This is another tool we have also discussed in my tools video. You can go, you can watch all these tools I have discussed. So now here we are going to discuss what exactly is mutual fund and how it works and why it is called as a mutual fund. So all this definition, all this discussion, I hope it is very very helpful for all of us. Any more questions, any more queries, I'm always welcome. Even I'm just waiting for any of your queries. Even I'm just a chat away, I'm just a mail away. Thanks for watching.